Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start with quick physical and power checks. Inspect the cable, port, and headset for damage and confirm the battery or charger is supplying power. Once done, force restart the headset by holding power for 10 seconds to clear transient faults. Next, open the Oculus mobile or PC app to check headset connection and firmware status. Make sure the app recognizes the device. If it fails to connect, swap to a verified USB-C or HDMI cable and retry, because cabling is the most common issue. You should then address software and tracking. Update the headset firmware in the Oculus app to resolve known bugs and improve stability. Once updated, repair each controller and run the Guardian setup so positional tracking and floor height are correct. Recalibration fixes drift. If using PC VR, check Oculus Link. Plug into a USB 3 port, use a certified 5 Gbps cable, and verify PC drivers are current. If stuttering persists, lower render resolution or test with a different USB port to isolate bandwidth problems. You finish by applying deeper remedies. Perform a factory reset only after backing up settings and accounts, because this clears persistent software corruption. After reset, reinstall the Oculus app, sign in, and repair your headset and controllers. If problems remain, gather system logs, headset serial, and clear photos of defects, then contact Oculus support or your retailer if under warranty. One key troubleshooting tip: try a different Oculus account or a second PC/phone to quickly distinguish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.